I got another FIVERR gig this morning. These are what they gave me. This is the canvas size. Their mom died on this date. They were best friends, and they're thinking doves, roses, stairway to heaven, some cool stuff. Let's see if I can figure something out. I'm gonna start by sketching out some thumbnails. They ordered a page of just sketches just to get an idea of what they want. And also I've got my computer screen up to see if I can find any inspiration. So let's see what I can do. Actually, hold on. I can show you on my other phone. Up there. There's Dove. There's sun up there. Gives me a good idea for the whole like stairway to heaven thing. And then that's just a pretty cool tattoo right there. And it's got some dates on the sides. I'll probably go with this mostly for inspiration. Let's see what I can come up with. So stairway to heaven, let's go ahead and make do some rose bushes. I thought to maybe turn that into a clock or something, maybe? Or it could still just be the sun with just the words or numbers thrown in. We'll see. That's a pretty cool design. I'm pretty happy with that. Let's see if I can come up with something else though. Derpy little bird. Imagine that looking less messy. Okay, so we got some gears. Now how do I incorporate everything else? Maybe shove a rose up in here. Closed rose. Don't worry about how it looks like a tulip. This could be pretty cool. I don't know where to put the date though. I'm gonna leave that alone for now and come back to it. I want to add the date in somewhere, but I don't want it to be stupid. Like, you know, here and here are obviously white space. I could put them in, but kind of dumb there, huh? Could have another rose coming up here, and it could be open. I could have petals falling.
We could do Roman numerals. So 2000 is M, 20 is XX, 6 is VI, 23, I would assume, oh, it's right here. But 2 X's and 3 I's, that's what I thought. like do some cool Roman numerals to go with the old looking gears. So that is the put dashes in Roman numerals. I'm smudging this all up. And then 2000 is XX. So I've got some designs I'm happy with. I can't really think of anything else to, throw together. If I do later on, I will also record that and include it. For now, I'm gonna go ahead and clean them up, trace them onto a new sheet of paper, and then I should be done. Oh, I still have bikes behind me, and I almost knocked them over with my chair, my rolly chair.
Let's start with this one. Give myself a little bit of space around them. There we go. Actually, I need to sharpen my pencil first. I'm shaky because I just drank a bunch of coffee. I'm like, Also, I haven't drawn with pencil in so long, at least not for such a long period of time, and I've kind of washed it off. But like, the whole side of my hand was just covered in graphite because I'm using a 4B pencil. Oops, wasn't even in camera. A 4B pencil, which is a lot softer. Like, you can draw on almost anything. It's super soft, and it lays down very heavy, which picks up on camera very well. Alright, get myself some space on either side. I'm gonna take up a good chunk of the piece of paper. I just keep double checking the yeah. Let's start from this side. So that I don't draw on my hands too much. So I don't go over it with my hand too much. Let's see if I can get this perspective right. So these are some floating steps. And I really hope that I can get the perspective right on them. I'll draw lightly and then I'll go back and fix the wiggly lines later. And now I'm just going to try to block this in. It's so hard to draw without using reference. I feel dumb for not using a reference, but I also like the challenge of trying to figure things out on my own. It is a really good sketching challenge, if anybody is interested, to try to draw something from memory and then immediately draw the same thing from reference and compare the two to see what things you saw wrong in your head and how you need to fix them, like eyes and facial features and proportions of the body and stuff. It's usually placement, proportion, and sometimes like the shapes that are a bit wrong when doing that. It's a really good exercise to do. Maybe I'll do that sometime. Probably the date in here would be best because of all the space, and that would be really tiny if it was up there. Could look cool if it was up here, if that was like the majority of the space, but with all this, I think this is the best spot for it. For the date, which is the I. XX. I. X. Is it weird having the gear up there? all the way up around it. Such a bad idea to draw while I'm shaky. I am just blocking in the little roses right now. Got shiny bits because the door is glowing. Alright, so that's sketched in. I'll do the details later. Sketch in the next part. Perfect. Alright, phone is charged again. Let's get back to drawing. Moving on to the next one. I really like the date right there. I kind of want to change it. Stupid, I don't know. It's creative though, either way. We'll see. Maybe? I don't know. Could add 2020 down here. Got some roses stuck in the gears. This last one over here. Let's see. Here we go. This one is similar to the first one. Alright, before I smudge it up any more than I have, you can see that I've been trying to erase all the smudges. Nick got a new guitar, he's very excited. But here's what I have come up with. I couldn't think of anything else to put in that top corner there, so I'm sorry I didn't technically fill the page, but I am pretty happy with these, and I hope that they help decide on a tattoo. I hope you like them. And thanks for hiring me. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. Remember, I have
tons of videos, all organized into neat little playlists if you like to check them out. I have some art collabs coming up. I am in the middle of a little Tune Me series where I put my own little spin on each one that I do, so keep an eye out for that. All the links to all my social medias are in the description below, so follow me so you don't miss anything. I hope you have a wonderful day, and happy crafting!